Welcome to Air University. Each of you has joined a class of sharp, innovative, and dedicated officers, a network. You and your class are part of a crack team with a mission to innovate and transform your parent institution to ensure it can cope with the challenges of the future, for most of you, the Air Force. We at Air University have just 1 year to arm and empower you with new tools before we let you out the door and let your team loose. This is a year about building networks. Let's start with you. You come to us with passions and interests and networks of your own. You've already got college networks. You've got networks you built through your tech schools and operational training, through your operational squadron. Those networks are important. Now it's time to join our network and the 3 missions our Chief of Staff has given us: to become America's think tank, to educate more airmen more deeply and broadly, and to expand our outreach to better connect with the American people. To educate more airmen more deeply and broadly, well, that's about you. And you come to us with your own interests, professional passions. It's up to us. It's our job to connect that, to inspire deeper thought about the Air Force core functions, to think about how we need to adapt to air and space superiority, ISR, rapid global mobility, global strike, and command and control across all domains, but especially the domains of our stewardship: air, space, and cyberspace. So that you can help us to do the deep thinking our Chief of Staff has asked us to do, blending your operational experience with the new mental tools and new lenses we provide to propose solutions as America's think tank, and to help us steward those solutions through outreach, shepherding the necessary changes through our executive and legislative branches. Here, your research and instructors can help connect you to our nation's intelligentsia, to the academics and think tanks that influence policy and strategy, to the thought leaders, so that a year from now, when you leave these doors, you will have an empowered influence network, and you and your team, your network, can have an impact, leaving us with a better adapted Air Force, a more secure nation, and a legacy of service.